I'm Ken, and you've just entered into Easy2 Tips and Tricks how-to channel where you see everything up close and personal. Today we're going to show you when your bathroom sink just won't drain well. Maybe you've even stuck those little plastic pieces with little notches, hooks on them, you know, for pulling stuff out. Let me show you what's going on the inside of your drain. Alright, and it's a quick, easy fix. I'm going to take it completely out and show you what's going on up close and personal. Alright. Okay, I've already have this ready to be taken out. I'm going to be redoing my whole countertop here. Alright, but let me show you where you can see this up close and personal. What's going on? Now, I have everything loose. This is what it looks like on the inside. This is the down pipe, alright, the drain down pipe. I have it loosened up. Now, you see this? See that right there? Look at this. We're going to show you up close and personal. Alright, look at this. Let's take it down here. You can really get the bird's eye view. Alright. This was drip, drip, drip. And I had put a pan under it. Okay. Now, I'm redoing this countertop. That'll be my next video. It's a rectangle vessel sink that's going in here now. Alright. You see this. This is your bar. This is your stop or your plunger. Okay. This is the plunger here where you pull on the top side. Alright. Trying to get this. And this opens and closes your plunger, your valve. Alright. Now, that's your sink drain stop. Well, down underneath here, it catches on in here. So what you want to do is, you want to unscrew this here, alright? And by unscrewing this, by unscrewing that, it will allow you to get in here. Now, so let's put this like it would normally be, alright? So normally this would be inside, this would be screwed in place. Okay? Now, and you pull this out. The other thing you want to do is there is like a pinch ring or a snap ring here almost. You pinch this and it releases and it locks it in place, alright? This is just a little piece of metal. It's bent and you just press it in and it takes it, it's pressure fitted here, alright? It pressures, this is pressure to it and it locks it in on the pressure. So you just pinch it. Now, this comes out. Now remember, you heard that fall. Okay, so normally you'd be lifting it out. Now you see where the hair is trapped. Okay. Now at that point, you can then turn your water on and drain it. Alright, now you don't have to remove this like I did. Although you can remove it, alright? And you take your channel locks, you did it where it's just a snug fit, alright, just where it's kind of a snug fit, alright. We've got a little pressure here and here, and in some cases you may need to put a wrench down here and hold this in place down here, alright, on that nut right here. Alright, let me show you that. Alright, see the nut. And then you unscrew it here. Alright, now in most cases you don't have to do that, and then you just wash this down and then take it apart at the trap. Alright, for example, this is your trap, this is your P trap, and it's been facing this way. So this would go down into here, which means you then have to take off this nut here. You take this off from your down pipe, because your down pipe goes in here. Alright, let me back this out. Okay, so then you would undo this nut here, slide this off there, come over to this point here and unscrew this, because you'd have all this hair either caught at that juncture or just going to be down inside. Okay, which then you can take this out, shake it out, unscrew it, shake it out, or rinse this out really well and flush it out. Alright, now this is hair. It's lots of hair. Okay, and it's that simple. Now I'm going to show you the mechanics of what's going on here. This, okay, is what is at this hole on the inside. Alright, so this is going to be in reversed, and you'd want to clean this hair off here, right? So what happens is this is in the top facing downward, and then this goes inside this hole. Alright, that goes in this hole, then it operates it up and down. Alright, that's how that works. But right through here, this goes through here, and then this goes into that hole, and then this operates up and down, okay, on the other side. So I hope that's clear as mud, and I'm just trying to show you the basic mechanics of how this works. Now that you're thoroughly confused, you can tell me what you think. Alright, so now that you're thoroughly confused, this video was to show you what's going on, what it looks like, how it basically functions, because it doesn't have to be complicated. Alright, a lot of times if you've never done it before, you just got to get in there, make mistakes, wrap your head around it, figure it out, and you learn as you go. This way you have some awareness of what's going on, and you'll be able to approach this. Remember, this is, everything I showed you is upside down. Alright? So, I'm just trying to give you the breakdown of how things fit together, how things work, where the problem lies, and how to fix it. Okay? So, by pulling this out, that will allow the hair to drop. You turn on your water, you pull out the stop, the drain stop, water will flush through. You can even take a stick and push it down in. Take the trap apart, okay? You unscrew it from the drain down part, down pipe. You unscrew this from here. You flush this out. The hair will come out, and it should drain like a new faucet. Sometimes, like this is kind of wore out. This needs to be replaced, so you get a new drain stop. Your drain stop, you get a new set. Alright? And so, I hope that you're going, oh, that's not so bad, I can do this, if you're looking for information. And for those of you that are supporting my channel, thank you, it means a lot. And if you're new here, right down here, you can like, share, Tell a friend. It's a win-win-win here on Easy 2 Tips and Tricks, where you see everything up close and personal. I have lots of videos on tiling. I'm getting ready to tile this. I'm going to put down a new top. Show you how to lay it out before your vessel sinks. And that's what's coming up next. So I look forward to hear from you. Bye for now. And if you want to check out tiling videos, I have lots of videos on tiling. Check out my playlist. Lots of videos on tiling, cutting, making radiuses, mixing, you name it, it's in there. How to cut angles, it's all in my playlist. Painting. Anyways, I look forward to hear from you. Bye for now. Take care. God bless, and never give up, because there's always a way. Always. Bye for now, and God bless.